Hello, my name is Thomas Campbell. I'm the owner of Pitmaster Essentials. Welcome to my outdoor kitchen. Today I thought I would fire up my 18.5-inch Weber Smokey Mountain, and I wanted to do a quick how-to tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be how to light a charcoal smoker. So with my Weber Smokey Mountain, I use either briquette or lump charcoal. To start it, I use my charcoal chimney. I have about, 14 or 15 briquettes inside the chimney. Let me bring you in a little closer. So this is my charcoal chimney setup. I'm using B&B competition briquettes today, and I have 14 briquettes in there. Underneath I have 2 paraffin cubes, and I like to light my chimney, my charcoal chimney, on top of a cinder block, because as you can see I have a concrete pad down here, and in the wintertime that could potentially crack the concrete if I light it directly on the concrete. So that's why I use a cinder block. Inside my Weber Smokey Mountain bowl, I'm using my Arbor Fabricating charcoal basket, and also have it set up for the minion method, and I have 3 chunks of applewood in there. So I'm going to light the paraffin cubes and let it do its thing, and I will bring you back here in just a minute. Alright, so now we're going to light the paraffin cubes. And then I'll give that about 15 minutes. And then after about 15 minutes, then they should be ready to go, and then I will add them to the Weber Smokey Mountain charcoal bowl. Okay, so I've added the charcoal to the charcoal basket, so I'm going to put the Weber Smokey Mountain back together. Okay, so we got the Weber Smokey Mountain put back together, so we're going to give it about 15-20 minutes, and then we will bring you back. Okay guys, welcome back. I just wanted to bring you back. My 18.5-inch Weber Smokey Mountain is up to temp. Took it about 25-30 minutes to get up to temp, and it's right at about 240 degrees. My great temp over here is showing 238, so that's awesome. I went ahead and put my pork tenderloins on here because I got to get them cooking for dinner tonight. But I'm curious, do you guys like to use briquette, or do you like to use lump charcoal? And also, do you use the minion method, or do you like to use another method? So drop me some comments in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing those. So this concludes how to light a charcoal smoker, and I thank you for watching. And remember, Pitmaster Essentials is where flavor meets smoke. And we'll see you in the next video.